Got a little tractor video today. This is my diesel 4x4. Okay, so I finally got my 220 installed in my garage, which means I can finally weld with some power. This is my little tractor. It's a Kubota B2601. Awesome little tractor. One thing it doesn't have is a good way to lift anything with a chain off of the front, off of the loader. So I'm gonna add some hooks to the top of my bucket. I've been lifting with it. I just hook on the lip right here. You know, and I can still lift like that, but I just have so much extra chain. I would like a way to just hook the chain right here, hook the hook on the end of the bucket, and then I can use one chain and have the perfect length every time. So I'm gonna add some of these. These are 3/8 chain hooks, and I'm just gonna weld them directly to the top of the bucket. All right, I think I'm just gonna go right here, right in line with the loader frame, and directly above this double piece of plate where it's welded here. Just like that. All right, these are 8 inches on center from the end of this bracket on both sides. Okay. So somebody might try to say that I should have a plate under here, or that I should be using a stick, 70-18 rods, or this MIG isn't good, whatever. This is just a little Kubota tractor. This isn't going to be lifting any more than 900 pounds or so. It's not a 20-ton crane. This is more than enough. It's going to be just fine. Don't need to overcomplicate something like this. Let's pack these in here. All right, let's burn them in. Done. Am I a professional welder? No. Are these hooks going anywhere? No. Alright, I'm gonna hit these with some farm implement orange from my local tractor store. This bucket is, this is a used tractor, okay? This tractor doesn't just sit around and look pretty. So I don't have to be perfect with the paint, but I am gonna match it, or try to match it a little. That doesn't match at all. Oh, it's oh, that might be why. The hook is still bubbling hot. We'll give that a minute to cool off. Okay, these aren't scalding hot anymore, so let's see. Paint sticks a little better. It does. Not a perfect match, but it doesn't need to be. It's just a tractor bucket. I'm sure people will also say that I should have taken the bucket off or whatever, because you can ruin computers and you can do this and that. And again, this is just a little Kubota tractor. It's not some super fancy $300,000 Caterpillar haul truck with a ton of computers. It's just a little diesel motor. It's gonna be just fine. I had all my cylinders compressed, you know, nothing got on the cylinder, no weld spatter got on the cylinders. It'll be okay. New Kubota orange. Maybe my tractor used to be that color orange, but it certainly isn't anymore. I know Kubotas have a pretty bad reputation for fading paint, but I don't know. All right, there we go. Got some hooks. Let's go lift something. There, see, now I can just use one chain and hook it in two places, and it's the perfect length every time I hook something. Perfect. This is a Super Duty Dana 60, so what does that weigh? Like 800 pounds, something like that? No problem. So I'm happy with that. Quick little welding project. All right, back to the Mustang and the Jeep and everything else I got to do.